Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter 9, Force and Laws of Motion of Physics. First of all, we will discuss about force. What do you mean by force? Force is an external effort which may move a body at rest or stop a moving body or change the speed of a moving body and can change the direction, shape and size of a body. In previous class, in class 8, you have done that force is a push or pull which may change the shape of an object, change the direction, change its state of rest, motion and direction. And force is a vector quantity and force is having units. SI unit of force is Newton. What are the effects of force? How the force can affect a body? Force can move a body at rest. Force can stop a moving body. Force can change the speed of a moving body. Force can change the direction of a moving body. Force can change the shape and size of a body. This is all about force. And how many types of forces are there? There are two types of forces in this chapter, balanced and unbalanced force. Balanced force, if the net force of all the forces is equal to 0 or the resultant force acting on the body is 0, it means these forces are said to be balanced. If two forces acting on a body in opposite direction and both the forces are equal and the object will not move, the object will not change its state of rest or motion, then that force is known as balanced force. But if one of the force is greater, they are not equal, then the forces are said to be unbalanced. Unbalanced means if one force is greater and another is smaller, or you can say that the resultant of all the forces acting on an object is not equal to 0, then these forces are known as unbalanced forces. I have the example of balanced and unbalanced forces is tug of war. In tug of war, if the winning team is A, then it means the force exerted by team A is greater than the force exerted by team B, so that it can pull the force towards itself. This is known as the unbalanced force. But if the rope doesn't move in the game tug of war, it means both the teams are applying the same force. Then that force is known as balanced force.